Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to change your ChatGPT password. With this tutorial, you will be able to log in your forgotten account. The first step is obviously opening ChatGPT. So to do that, let's go to Safari. By the way, you can use any browser that you have, they will work as good. Now, type chat.openai.com. Make sure you are logged out. If you're logged in, log out of your account so this tutorial will work. Once you've logged out, make sure you know the email or username of your account and then tap log and then tap login. Type your email and then once you get to the password part, tap on forgot password. They will send you an email containing steps and solutions to making a new password. Once you have set your new password, you're set. Make sure it's 8 letters or numbers long. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.